Deep in Rainbow Jungle, there was a magical wishing waterfall. It was said that anyone who made a wish there could make their dreams come true. One day, Elle, Mimi, Cheenu, and Kiku visited the waterfall. Mimi wished to be smarter. Cheenu wished to run faster. Kiku wished to learn amazing tricks, and Elle wished to help every animal in the jungle. The next day, they eagerly waited, but nothing had changed. Feeling disappointed, they returned to the waterfall. There, Seal, standing confident and wise, smiled and said, "The waterfall doesn't make wishes come true with magic. It teaches you to believe in yourself and work hard." The friends understood the lesson. Seal practiced courage by helping others. Mimi learned something new every day. Cheenu trained hard. Kiku practiced his tricks, and Elle continued helping animals. Moral: wishes can inspire us, but hard work and perseverance are what truly make dreams come true.